Exploring familiar territory, unveiling its meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that you might have come across in conversations, books, or movies: familiar territory. Understanding such phrases can really boost your fluency and comprehension. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. At its core, familiar territory refers to a situation, place, or subject that someone knows well or has experienced before. The word familiar suggests something that is well known to us, something we're comfortable with. Territory, though often used to describe a physical area, in this phrase, extends beyond to cover situations or topics as well. Think of it this way: when you're in your hometown, walking through your neighborhood, you're in familiar territory. You know every street, every shortcut, and every little shop. But familiar territory isn't just about places, it's also about experiences or knowledge areas. For instance, if you're a science teacher, discussing the basics of chemistry is familiar territory for you. Now that we know what familiar territory means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. This will help you incorporate it into your everyday English seamlessly. 1. Describing comfort zones. When it comes to cooking Italian food, I'm in familiar territory. It's what I grew up with. 2. Talking about experiences. Moving to a big city was daunting at first, but now it's familiar territory for me. 3. Discussing knowledge areas. Discussing advanced mathematics is familiar territory for her. She's a mathematician, after all. Using familiar territory in such contexts shows not only your command of the language but also your ability to express nuances in your experiences and knowledge. Understanding and using phrases like familiar territory enriches your communication by allowing you to express complex ideas succinctly and vividly. It signals to your listener or reader that you're speaking about something you're well acquainted with, whether that's a physical location, a body of knowledge, or a life experience. Moreover, recognizing when others use this phrase can help you grasp the depth of their comfort or familiarity with the topic or place they're discussing. This can be particularly helpful in conversations, negotiations, or when trying to understand an author's perspective in a book or article. We hope this exploration of familiar territory has illuminated its meaning and shown you how to use it to enhance your English communication. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the phrases and expressions that bring color and precision to our conversations. So, we encourage you to step into the familiar territory of using familiar territory in your dialogues. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you navigate more fascinating aspects of the English language in our future videos.